figures, you seem like you are lost. Million. Then we have now come to the real level. So when we come to the wangapi wako na more than 50? Tumetuma message. Watu wa Western, sio kama wako hapa.
Is that as a government we are not going to condone any mismanagement of SACCO funds by officials all the management, because right now as a government we have entered into an MOU with the EACC in order to combat any corruption instances in SACCOs. We have also established anti-fraud unit within SASRA that is going also to address and investigate any corruption instances in our SACCOs. And as also as a State Department for Cooperatives, we have also the mandate under the Corporate Societies Act to conduct any inquiry on any mismanagement that is occurring in a SACCO. And once we realize there are any officials who are culpable, then we can move ahead and even attach and recover the money from their from wherever they have invested the money.
Next year, the society, we have planned to celebrate 50 years of existence, and we have given ourselves a target that next year, end of next year, we should be celebrating 50 years at 50 billion. So it is not an easy, this is one of the strategies that will make us achieve what we have set ourselves as targets. And we want also to grow the membership. End of next year, end of June, we want to make this organization, having recruited more than 7,000 members, adding on the number that we have, the 63,000. So we are